name's Mel Cape. I'm from Kansas. I just started a new company called Cape Pens, LLC. Well, I had an older laser about 3 years ago, and it kind of pooped out on me. So I did a lot of research into a replacement laser, and Thunder Laser and Epilogue came up as the best. And so I weighed them, and customer service actually won. So that's why I went to Thunder Laser. The machine I had was 11 years old. So the technology is great. I can put a camera in there, do all kinds of neat things I didn't have to do before. Coming to something like this, you meet a lot of folks who are doing the same thing you are. They're friendly and they're willing to share, especially for someone like me. I've only been doing this for a couple of years as an LLC. So it's interesting to learn, the different experiences, how they handle their accounts, the products that they make and how they get their customers.